Yeah, red. Okay, put the red. Put the red. Okay, scoot over here. Move over here. So you can put some.
This one?
Yeah, get down. Get down. Get down.
No. This one's
Ah, you want me to put it? All right. We'll put it right here. Red. Okay. Where do you want me to put this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one.
This one over here? Over here. How about over here? Over there.
Under there.
Over there. All right. Yay, good job, Athena.
Under there.
Yeah, we're gonna put some more over here. Okay, we're gonna get a here. Uh-oh. Here. Yeah. You do it? Oh, that's too much gold in there. Huh? So many. Yeah, gold. More gold. More gold. Put it over there. Yeah, because you put all the... Okay. We put silver. How about that? We put... No, that's not silver. That's red. Where do you want to put red? Yeah. Red. You put right... red. Yay. We'll put red over here. Okay. Red. More red. Put over here, baby. Over here. Put over here. Hook. You want to get down and hook it? Wait. Over here, oh. Put over here. Well, you have to get down. Okay, you hook over there. This here. Yeah. Now open your hands like this. Oh, like baby, like this. Like, like this. Oh, baby. Oh, like that. Like this. You do that? Hold it like that. And then put it right that.
Yeah, there you
Now, there you go. Good job, Athena. All right. You put silver in this one. And this one. Silver. Okay, you put another red. Where do you want to put the other red? You want to put over here? Up. Okay, here. Okay, guys, today we're putting our seasonal tree with my helper. Okay, hold on. Yeah. Okay. Uh-oh. No, don't take it off. Get down. Okay. Yeah, get that. Get those other one. Get that one too. Get that one. Get that one. All right. Let's go over here. This side. Ay, nako. Paano ba yan? Ayan. Dito kami. Come here. So, ayan guys. Maglalagay kami ng... magpapalit kami ng Christmas decor. Oh. Here. Wala kaming hindi kami makakatapos pag Okay. Oh, dyan na lang. Oh. Tapos where are you gonna put that? Put over here. Uh-oh. Oh, go get another one. Okay. Put over here. How do you do that? Like this, oh baby. Oh, hold this. Like that. Oh, be careful. Baka mahulog ka. Yeah. See, like this. Like that. Oh. Yeah. You do this. Oh, help. You watch Nanay. You watch Nana, you watch that, and then you hook. Where do you wanna hook this?
I want this one.
Over here, baby. Oh, over here. Oh, that
What's that?
no, it's too long for that. That's Cookie Monster. So here, where do you wanna put this? We're gonna put it here, baby. Oh, Athena, look.
This.
Who's what?
Owl.
Owl. Yeah, you got it. What color is this?
That.
Red. Okay. What color is this?
Great.
Oh, pink. What color is Teddy?
Great.
Pink. Yes, good job.
What are they?
Pink. Oh, here. What color is this? Say gold. Okay, here. Put this one.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, tayo ay mag-aayos ng table. Ito ang aking table para sa Valentine's Day, guys. So, ito ay from Joanna Babylon. Ayan. From Germany ito, guys. Diba? Ganda ng kulay. Pink for pink for yan. Wala pa tayong kandila para dito. So, ayan. Ganda dito. Ayan, guys. Ayan. So, ibahin naman natin, guys, yung setting this year. Ito naman gagawin natin. So, guys, makalat yung bahay ko kasi nag-aayos ako, diba? So, ayan yung sapatos ng aking asawa ko. Ayan. Tapos, okay. So, two, four. So, ayan, guys. Oh. So, then, Ito ba o puti? Yeah. So, hindi ko alam kung hindi ko na siguro lalagyan. So, red. So, ayan guys. Yung ating so, ano kayong ilalagay dyan? Silver or gold? Red and gold. Gold na lang. Yeah. So, ayan guys. Ilalagay natin ay gold. Ayan. So, asan yung mga glasses ko? Yeah, kulang. There you go. Kasi set talaga yan guys. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Halos tapos na tayo. Kailangan natin ng kutsara. Okay. So, yan. Kailangan natin na yung anak ko nilagay niya ganito siya naglagay guys ng spoon. So, 1, 2, ayan guys. Lagay tayo ng tinidor. Kutsara. Kasi yung binili ko guys, 4 lang ang ang heart na So, kailangan talaga anong nangyari sa cellphone ko? So, mag-aayos tayo guys ng bahay. Kailangan talaga guys. Perfect ang lagay nila. Yung aking guys binili na panlinis ng table ay hindi siya shiny. So, let's see kung meron silang Ayan. So, I need dahil malapit na ang Valentine's, araw ng mga puso guys. Ayusin na natin itong ayan guys yung